This is the iPhone killer. Samsung just ended iPhone with its first AI-powered phone. It includes 6 new features. The first feature is Circle to Search. Here's a demonstration.
It's a new way to find what you're looking for using just your finger. All you gotta do is circle it and find it. Find what? The lamp. Let me show you more. Landmarks. Circle it, find it. Ooh, landmarks. Thingamajigs. Whatchamacallits. Just circle it.
Cool.
The next feature is Live Translate.
With Live Translate, I can speak a bunch of languages with my own real-time translator. Let me call one of the engineers from Korea and show you.
여보세요? Hello.
Gina, hey, how are you?
난 잘 지내지. I'm doing well.
So, I need an expert to tell Stuart about the amazing processor.
나한테 그 완벽한 영상이 있어. Oh, I have the perfect video.
The next feature is Ray Tracing. Perfect for gaming. Here's the preview.
Check this out. So dude, this processor gives you the best ray tracing for the most hyper-realistic graphics ever on Ultra. Nice. Plus, it's easy to stay chill with Galaxy's biggest vapor chamber yet.
The next feature is for creating content.
So get this, the new Pro Visual engine uses AI to deliver amazing colors, extreme detail, and easier editing. The first quad telesystem enables 4 levels of optical quality zoom and up to 100 times digital zoom, all enhanced by AI. Oh, and it's got a new zoom sensor with 60% bigger pixels and a wider OIS. So you can shoot ultra-stable 8K videos and 50 megapixel photos. Watch this. Whoa! With the S24's enhanced nightography, it's easy to shoot far, even in the dark. Then, you can resize and retouch your snap in a snap with generative edit. Wordplay. Boom.
The next feature is its design.
'Cause it's design time. Ooh. Yeah, look at that. AI smart, meet titanium tough. Can I touch it? With an enhanced, anti-reflective, scratch-resistant display.
And lastly, AI Transcript.
Whoa, there's so much I
Don't worry. I summarized it for you.